Mr. Crypto Web 3 Gaming.
Hello Crypto Gamer! Today I'm sharing with Hamster Combat Daily Cipher for August 14, 2024. Okay, yes, the first word is letter I, need natin ang dot dot. Okay, and then the second word is letter N, need natin ang dash dot. Okay, and then for the third word is letter C, need natin ang dash dot, dash dot. Okay. And then for the fourth word with letter O, need natin ang dash, dash, dash. Okay. And then for the fifth word with letter M, need natin ang dash, dash. Here we go. And then for the last word with letter E, need natin ang dot. Okay. The words for today is income.